shit. Working on the weekend like usual.
Oh shit.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Budget got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you fools us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
That's cool, man. Got real bodies on.
What's going on, guys? Today, making a new video, rocking the fisheye lens. I'm gonna show you guys why it's a bad idea to buy spacers from Limitless Tire. So I rocked spacers on my E36 for like 3-4 years, you know, no issues. I bought these spacers from Limitless Tire, and I'll show you guys what's up. This is the second time this has happened. So I'm checking out the spacers. This is the little tools I need. Little crack, the wheels, another breaker bar, got my 9-2, and my handy dandy motor master jack. But yeah, this is not the first time this happens. See it right here. Yeah, it just snaps off. It's fucked up.
Just you need some gas on. Just you need some gas on.
So yeah, here are the spacers. Do not fuck with Limitless Tire. You get some cheap ass fucking shit and they break.